Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. As you have already guessed it from the title, this is another install video. So today I'm going to be installing two things. A Viking tool bag and a Viking swing arm bag. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright guys, so here we go. The Viking bags. We have a tool bag. Two straps in the back. Nice little flaps to keep things in place. Alright, and now the swing arm bag. I like the fact that they have these little pins here, so if you want to put like a little lock, not that I probably never will, but you know, for anyone who would like something like that, there's an option for it. Alright, same thing, little carabiner locks, and for the inside, another little feature that I like a lot is this piece here. So guides it in place and kind of closes this portion of the bag. And for the inside, we have 3 straps. Okay, and a little zip pouch. I'm not sure if you can actually see it. Let me take it out. All right, so there's a little zip pouch, so if you need to put like a registration, insurance card or whatever, or even, you know, something that you don't want to be flapping around, and zip it up. It's a nice little feature. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and install it. that was quick and easy install of the Viking tool bag and a swing arm bag. The install itself is pretty easy, but when installing the swing arm bag, there's not a lot of room to work with tightening the belts. So you just gotta take your time, be patient, and keep adjusting and readjusting until everything looks good and fits nice and snug. So I did buy a couple of different tool sets, so let me show you what I have. Alright guys, so obviously the bags are pretty small, both the tool bag and the swing arm bag, so I have to optimize as much as I can. So I bought a couple of little tool sets. One is a pit posse. It's a small tool set with a bunch of axe keys and you know, a couple of sockets and whatnot. This other tool set is a biker's choice. Pretty much has everything Harley will need, especially on the road. Obviously, I'm not planning to ride too far and do a lot of fixing if there is a breakdown on the road, but at least, you know, the essentials should get me enough what I need to basically get back home, or, you know, wherever it is that I'm going. All right, so a bunch of wrenches, adjustable wrench, and a few sockets here, electrical tape and screwdriver, and again more hex keys and some zip ties and whatnot. So all right, so hopefully this video was useful for some of you. As always, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon. Have a good one.